My name's Georgie. I'm a physiotherapist and I own and run Morton Body Care, which is an allied health practice that combines physiotherapy, podiatry, massage therapy, exercise physiology and allied health. We work in the Moreton Bay Shire and have practice locations in Narangba, Burpengary and at Beachmere. I have had the practice since 2004. We started as a single practitioner, and we've since grown into a 3-clinic practice with over 30 employees. We were introduced to the Realigntech gear about a year ago and we were really impressed with the product when it came into the practice. In previous years we've had to use braces or supports that got over the top of the clothing or under clothing, and then clothing on top gets quite bulky, gets uncomfortable for the patients. They tend to find it chafes and it rubs. So the fact that the bracing's all been built into the product itself is fantastic. It's there, the support is enough that it assists them with that being uncomfortable. It doesn't restrict their movements at all. So yeah, we really like that, the fact that it is built into the product over all those other braces and supports we've used previously. So the products that we've used and that we've put our patients into and recommended, we use the posture-aligned crops quite a bit for our female patients. Really nice for that thoracic control, shoulder stability, and those who need that little bit of extra postural support. We've also put some of our staff into the posture-aligned shirts. We tend to find that in this line of work, because we are constantly working in front of our bodies, that those shirts work really well just to maintain. They tend to fatigue, so they're really good shirts to help reduce that fatigue in the muscles and maintaining that good posture as well. In my opinion, I think anyone in the general population will benefit from these products. They work from general non-athletic clients that we have through who are just requiring that little bit of postural support or help within their daily life. They're fantastic for those who've had an injury, so we use them quite a bit for rehab as well. So patients who are coming out of post-op or who've had significant injuries and need that little bit of extra support as well. We also recommend them for our sports patients too. So we've got some patients who come through who are quite competitive with their sports but have issues with just alignment and postural control. So we've found that putting them into those braces, it just helps them to focus on muscle groups they need to work and control without overloading. It gives that support without inhibiting any movement and allows that control as well.